Hey everybody, it's Doug Green and I'm the publisher of Technology Reseller News, and I'm very pleased to have with me today at WebexOne, Cisco's WebexOne, San Diego, Jason Thals of BroadSource. Jason, thank you for joining me.
Hi, Doug. Thanks for having us.
And Bill Placke, your pie. Bill, thank you for joining me today.
Good to see you again, Doug.
So gentlemen, I am glad I ran into you. Literally, we're in the corridor here at the Marriott San Diego, right next to the famous convention center. You guys are finalists for the Dynamic Duo Award at the Webex conference. We're going to talk about that in just a second. But Jason, tell me a little bit about BroadSource.
We're a software development company delivering products and services that complement CCaaS and UCaaS platforms like Cisco's Webex around the world.
And Bill, tell me a little bit about SecurePII.
Yeah, so SecurePI's mission is to secure people's personally identifiable information over voice calls. And by doing that, in removing that PII from calls, allowing AI to operate and LLMs to train on data privacy compliant data streams. Also reinforce data minimization so that what the company doesn't have, hackers can't hack. And we've started out with SecureCall. PCI compliance is the first product, which is the most revolutionary product on the market, purpose-built for Webex and available also on Genesys.
Why are you guys finalists in this award?
We're in the Dynamic Duo competition, and it's a recognition of our collaboration with our client to use Cisco's products to best effect to deliver a great outcome for our clients' customers.
Now, what were the criteria? In other words, how did you end up in this finalist category?
Okay, well, it's going to be a People's Choice Award, so people are going to nominate us. But it's the recognition of us unlocking the potential of Cisco's roadmap for our client. So our product, with our implementation of SecureCall, demonstrates how we can sanitize their data to unlock the power of Cisco's AI suite.
Now, I want everyone to know we didn't really discuss what I'll be asking. So here's a tough one. How does what you're doing fit into all the things Webex is announcing this week in terms of improved customer experience and enhanced AI and so on?
Yep. So Cisco's big focus this week, and the theme of this week, is AI. If you look back at Legal Tech Fund did a survey back in May of this year, and that survey came back that over 60% of legal departments were scaling back AI projects because they couldn't tame the data privacy regulations and how that would fit in. One of the basis of a company using your personally identifiable information is for you to give knowing consent how that your data is being used. Well, there's so much of this AI, the lawyers are in a tough spot. They're saying, hey, we didn't get knowing consent, so I don't know how this plays out. Our approach is different. Our approach said, hey, let's remove the PII from the data stream that AI is operating on and LLMs are training on, because if it's not present, you're not worrying about how you comply because you don't have the PII. So that's the great unlock that we've tried to grasp here. And that's what Cisco recognized as they began pushing out their AI and agentic agents, saying, hey, we actually also have to be mindful of the global data privacy regulations, which vary in the United States across 50 states, much less when you get into GDPR and new regulations coming out constantly. Our approach is get rid of the PII, and you don't have to worry about it.
Now, how long have you guys been offering this joint approach, the two organizations?
Yeah, so look, we really launched the platform this year. So we've been working with Cisco for a long time, delivering Webex CC and Webex calling based services. But SecureCall is brought to market this calendar year.
But now we're reporting this before the contest, so we're going to put this out today. Do you feel confident in your chances?
Absolutely, because we've built a great service. We've got a delighted customer and delivering great services to their customers. So I think that it's a very deserving win, if I do say so myself.
Here's an even better question. What have the customers been saying? You started talking about that.
Yeah, so our client, we've built a great relationship with our client, a trusted relationship for a long time, because we measure the success of the services that we deliver. They're responsible, in this case, back to the government. So in Australia, they're a toll road operator, and they have very strict KPIs back to the government. So there's actually very measurable success against the services that we deliver.
Where can this success be duplicated? What type of industries can adopt this?
So industry agnostic. So I would say from anyone who wants to use agentic AI, we will be that precursor, right? So I draw this analogy this way. So there's gold in data, right? So you've got all this AI trying to get after that gold in the data. Well, we want to be on the front end before you go there, just like Levi's was selling pickaxes and blue jeans, right? Before you went and mined for gold, you had to have a pickaxe and blue jeans. We want to say, hey, before you go and mine for that gold, you need our pickaxe and blue jean to get to that gold. And we think that's a very valuable proposition across. Now, the beauty about our solution is it scales from one user to 50,000 plus users.
Do you sell through the channel or do you sell directly?
So our focus is the channel, and we're here at WebexOne to really get behind Cisco's channel model. We believe in it, and that's how we're going to get coverage worldwide for our solution.
So this is really a great opportunity for the Cisco channel, basically.
It is.
Yeah.
This provides sticky services. Once you satisfy a standard like PCI DSS, a global standard, that all companies worldwide taking payments, credit card payments, card not present payments have to comply with. Once that service is embedded and it is working and it's easy to use, it becomes an immovable object for Cisco's reseller and their customers.
And the good part about it, Doug, is it's easy. So right now you could get it on Webex App Hub. We'll be on Cisco Solutions Plus within the next couple of weeks, meaning also that they can buy through Cisco directly on Cisco paper. But for the resellers, what's important is their customers have to have a solution. And this is a super easy bolt-on available in Webex App Hub, and you could be up and running in 30 minutes and compliant.
So what's the role that the partners play in this process?
Well, the partners are essential, because to bring the pieces together, bring the customer data together with SecureCall and Webex, the partners do that integration work, and that's what gives life to the service.
Now, this is a great partner opportunity. How can they get in touch with you? Is there a partner program or something? Yes. If you go to SecurePII.cloud, so SecurePII.cloud, we have all information available there. They can hit us up. And of course, we can be found through Cisco Partner as well. So this is really a great opportunity, a great opening window, actually, for the Cisco community. Absolutely. Yeah. Well, gentlemen, I'm really awfully glad I ran into you guys. I want to wish you the very best of luck, but you've already made it to the finalist list. We're going to put this out today.
Yeah, thanks, Doug.
Thanks, Doug.